Morning, my loving children. Today, let us go through telephone language. Telephone language. This telephone language is very important because we can't see the other person. We are unable to see the other person. We are only able to hear his voice. We can hear only his voice and we can't see his action or his expression. Like that, when we speak, the other person also can't see us and our actions, expressions, etc. So, when we speak over phone, our voice should be pleasant. We should keep a pleasant tone while speaking over phone. There are some manners which we have to keep while speaking over phone. We have to speak audibly, clearly for that person. And there we should not give a chance for the other person to say that, pardon, unable to hear, can you please say it again, can you please repeat, can you go slow, something like that. We have to speak clearly and audibly for the person to hear. Let us see here, making a call. How do we make a call? How can we make a phone call? While making a phone call, the language which we should use, let me introduce here. See, hello, I am Raju here. You are taking the phone, you are lifting the phone, dialing the other person's number, then you say, hello, I am Raju here. See, when you say, I am Raju here, I am Raju here, I am. When you use I am, the other person doesn't know who you are. When the other person doesn't know you personally, then only you should say, I am Raju, like that. I am Pavan, I am Mahesh. When you say like that, I am Mahesh, the other person doesn't know you. So you introduce while making a call by saying, hello, I am Raju here. I am Raju here. Then you think that the other person knows you personally. The other person knows you that you are Raju. He knows that you are Raju. Then you can start the conversation simply by saying, this is Raju speaking. This is Raju speaking. This is Raju speaking. He knows you already. Then, I am calling from Hyderabad. You have to say next, from which place you are calling. You have to inform him about your whereabouts. You have to inform him your place. So you have to say, I am calling from Hyderabad. Okay, I am calling from Srikakulam. Then, can I speak to Mahesh? Can I speak to Mahesh? You want to speak to Mahesh, but your call lifted by another one person. Your call is lifted by another one person. Then you have to tell him, you have to ask him politely, can I speak to Mahesh? Can I speak to Mahesh? Can I speak to Mahesh? Like that you have to ask. Or can I get Giri online? I wish to speak to Giri. So can I get Giri online? Can I get Giri online? I would like to speak to Giri. So can I get Giri online? In such a manner you have to ask. So these are some of the sentences you can use while making a call. Then let us see, while answering a call, there are some sentences you can use. While you are answering a phone call, you can use these sentences. Let us see. May I know who is calling? Somebody is calling you over phone. You don't know who is calling. His number is not there or his name is not there in your contact. Then you have to ask him, you have to inquire, may I know who is calling? Simply don't ask who is calling, like that don't ask. Who is calling? No, that's not a good manner. Who is calling? No, not at all. You should not ask like that. Instead, you should ask politely by saying, may I know who is calling? May I know who is calling? Then, or you can ask, who is calling please? Who is calling please? Like that also you can ask. Then, where are you calling from? You wish to know the place of that person who is calling. Then you have to ask him, where are you calling from? Where are you calling from? Like that. Then the other person will tell the name of place. He will inform you the name of place. Then there is another one sentence or question you can ask. Are you sure you have the right number? Suppose you get a wrong number. Somebody calls you by mistake. Somebody calls you accidentally. And it was a wrong number. Then you have to ask him, are you sure you have the right number? Are you sure you have the right number? Like that. Then he will respond. Whether it's the right number or not, he will be saying. Or by saying sorry, he will cut that call. So these are some of the sentences and questions you can use while making a call and while answering a call. Just practice these sentences.